Module 7, Lesson 3, Manus Live Research. Tracking competitors by hand has a ceiling. You only see what you remember to check. Simple Marketing integrates with Manus, an AI research agent, to do the checking for you. Who's active, what they're posting, and what's changed. On the competitors page, find the sync control. One click asks Manus to run a research pass over your market. It identifies competitors, collects their recent public posts, and packages the findings. You don't write a query or configure a crawler. The integration knows your workspace context. When the sync completes, two kinds of records land. New competitors appear as cards, the ones research found that you hadn't added by hand, with channels and a suggested threat level. And posts, each competitor's recent public activity slots into the timeline, sourced and time-stamped. The page that was a manual list becomes a living feed. Research output is a starting point, not gospel. Every researched record is marked with its source. Skim the new competitors, archive the irrelevant ones, adjust threat levels research can't judge, like a private rivalry your sales team knows about. 2 minutes of curation keeps the surface trustworthy. The working rhythm is sync weekly, curate for 2 minutes, respond where it matters. Responding is the next lesson. When a competitor posts something that lands, AI drafts your counterpost with provenance, ready for your edit. Next lesson, the AI counterpost. From a competitor's post to your reply, drafted in seconds, reviewed by you. See you there.